It's recording start. Okay, awesome. Thank you. I can share now. Uh, this is now. Did you see my screen?
Yes, doctor, we can see your screen.
And you can see me on the corner?
Yes, we can
It's
see you.
okay, awesome. Between everything, perfect. Okay. AI tools for academic research. My name is Mohanad Amin. I am lecturer at Lincoln University College with more than 20 years experience in education field. Welcome to our comprehensive workshop on how you utilize the AI platform for your research, academic research. Okay, and today I'm so excited to share with you the last knowledge about AI platform and how you can adapt this as AI tools for education and what the correct or appropriate way to adapt these tools for your research. And because now around us a lot of AI platforms, which one is suitable for our purpose. And almost researcher, they will use ChatGPT. And this is, if you use ChatGPT in traditional way, you can get it and correct academic result for your research. Now I'll show you some example. Outcome after our this workshop, let's break down our workshop. We will continue for 1.5 hours. After that, we will go for break 10 minutes. Then we'll continue for another 1.5 hour. I hope we can cover all our outline in this workshop because this is informative, a lot of information I try to cover in this workshop. And it's a recording. You can come back for this. Is if you miss out any information, no worries. After this workshop, you can be able about collecting reference using AI and avoiding reference overload or overwhelming, because a lot of researchers, they will collect reference, and after that in my reference manager, I can see ton of reference I cannot use or make for me confused. And also you will be able to define and refine appropriate research topic using AI, how you can uh, uh, define or refine the appropriate topic for your research. It's a crucial point. Sometimes a lot of researchers struggle how they can choose appropriate topic for my research. Some people they will go for ChatGPT and ask him create for me suitable topic. This is a big mistake. Now we'll explain this is for you during this workshop. And you be able after this is identify the potential gap using AI, how you can identify the gap for your research, reading and comprehension the paper using AI. This is a new concept appear on the surface now, recently appeared. How can I reading the paper by AI? Technology helped me to understand more and more for papers and books also by short time. AI writing, you'll be able to write by AI. And this is recently also appeared in academia. How can I use AI for writing and what the standards? And this is ethical or this is allow for me and journal accept me to write by AI or no. Some people feel guilty when they write it by AI. We'll explain all this point. Also, at the last of this workshop, I will give you the big secret about some platform can you do for your literature review and thesis just by one click. Many researchers are using ChatGPT incorrectly because if you use ChatGPT in traditional way, you will get it incorrect academic result. Uh, let's try this is together to see ChatGPT Now, I open ChatGPT. Did you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can
Okay,
see.
okay. If you didn't see anything, please let me know. Okay. And now I open ChatGPT. Let's make this is a small experiment. I ask ChatGPT what the connection relation between frogs and AI for education. This is something silly. And if you ask anyone on the street about this topic, he tell to you this is not logically. See, when I ask this is for ChatGPT, the relation between frog and AI education start to explain for me this is stupid topic. See, everything. This is disaster for me as a researcher. If I ask him any topic, he will give me answer in traditional way without any constraint. It means if I give him any crucial topic for my research, he will answer. He know everything. But the problem, this is named hallucination. He give me incorrect answer without any reference. I can, if I am not reading this is, I can go copy and put it in my research, for example. Imagine this is unlogic with the connection between frog and AI education. This is something stupid. But when I ask him this is unlogically topic, he will give me this is answer. Imagine if I give him anything related to my research, he's starting to give me this answer. I must make for them constraint. Like this is, if I go for this is prompt, copy, paste. I tell to GPT, play role as an academic researcher with 25 years experience in academia. Understand any topic I provide you. If this is not logically, if not logically, or not related or not related to academia, please don't explain and tell me this is not related to academia. I give him a constraint or condition. Okay. Now, what the relation between frogs and AI for education? Give me short answer. Sometimes see he start give me this connection. It's hallucination, really. It's starting give me this is hallucination. I tell to him again, play role as academic researcher with 25 years experience in academia. When I give you any topics, please understand these topics. And if this is not logically or not related to academia, don't explain about it. I give him this is condition again because he didn't understand from my first condition what the relation between frogs and AI for education. See, he still give me this is stupid answer. AI enhancing frog related between education. It means there's something disaster without any result. He can give me something not logic sometimes, like this situation. It means AI, conclusion, AI or ChatGPT for research purpose, if you not use it in proper way, you can get it disaster result. There is some specific way to use ChatGPT. I usually like to use ChatGPT as a second brain for me. I'll provide him all accurate information and tell to ChatGPT analyzing this information. And there is another way named deep research. I will teach you during this workshop how you can adapt ChatGPT for your research. It means ChatGPT, if you tell to them, create for me, example, create for me appropriate topic about my future research related AI and education and efficiency. I give him all aspects. He start to create for me, see, appropriate topic about this is. He give me this is topic. Many researchers, they will use this as method. This is wrong method, totally wrong. That's why, because when you take this as topic from ChatGPT, sometimes you cannot find reference to connect between variables during this topic. You cannot find, maybe you can find separately for this is variable topic, or you can see AI-driven adaptive learning systematic in higher education. But this is without any criteria they create for me this topic. They will not search on paper and they create it from their mind. That's the problem. We will find solution how we can create topic during AI tools. First, we need to start about our academic toolkits component. What the toolkits I must using during my academic. We see now ChatGPT, this is unuseful and makes sometimes hallucination. I tell to you, all most or many researchers, they will go to ChatGPT, tell to them, find for me gap, write for me literature review, write for me topic. This is totally wrong in this way. Okay, what the alternative way to using academic research? In this case, there's some toolkits or component for you. Usually, you should understand this component to dive in about research. First one, there is a new concept, or this is, I can tell this is categories or toolkits component. Same. First component is semantic research. Semantic research, this is a new concept recently appear for academia. This is different from our traditional research. Usually when I research, I go for Google Scholar, example, Google Scholar. Let me go for Google Scholar, for example. I go, almost people that will go ask AI for education. This is keywords search. It means I must mention about my specific keyword to see all this is reference related to my keywords. I see all the reference include AI and education. Imagine this is, I write for him another query. Technology and education. Technology and education, no problem. Technology and education. In this case, he will not mention for me AI. Either AI part from technology. It means semantic research, something different from keyword. Semantic research is technique or technology can understand your query from any random question related to your topic. If I ask him technology of education in semantic research, he will mention for me AI. He will mention for me VR. He will mention for me a lot of technology related to this education. But here, maybe he will not mention for me some reference including AI or VR. I must write VR for, in this case, for education. This is the difference between semantic research and normal research. In this case, semantic research is very famous now for AI. Semantic research use AI to understand meaning and context of research for accurate and relevant results. There is another component or another category named literature mapping. This is visual to see connection between any relevant paper, to see the citation and the reference. We will understand what it means, literature mapping, later. Reading paper by AI. This is some technique using AI platform to reading the paper, not just summarizing. Any ChatGPT, he can upload for you. You can upload any PDF for ChatGPT and tell to them summarize for me. But this is not reading by AI. Reading by AI, this is to go behind this concept, to understand all the content for the paper by short time. Ask multiple document. Example, if you have multiple document in your research, how can I make at the same time chatting with multiple document? We'll see. Writing by AI and editing by AI also we'll see some specialized AI tools for make data analysis, but I believe this is need separate workshop for data analysis by AI, but we try to cover some topic about it. Use AI as a support tools. Let me, before I will give you review what we will learn. This is to understand how it's going. Now we are still in introduction. We'll speak about introduction, about some new concept. After that, we'll go for semantic research. I will explain for you a lot of platform for semantic research like Elicit, Consensus, and ChatGPT for research is available or not, effective or not. Mapping, I will explain for you mapping, what it means mapping. I'll explain also during this workshop what about some platform like Research Rapid, Let Map. We will go for reading by AI also. SciSpace, our hero SciSpace. Okay, please mute the mic. Multiple document, how we can chatting with multiple document. Also, could you make it mute, please? Okay. We will explain also about writing by AI. How can I write by AI using this is ChatGPT. Also, I can write by Canva from ChatGPT, Jenny.ai. Also, there is another interesting website. This is milestone for our workshop. A lot of information. I hope we will have time to finish all this information, what I plan to do. Okay, let's continue about introduction here. Okay, use AI as a support tool, not foundation. Example, if you needed to write literature review, if you needed to write your thesis or your argument about any specific part, I cannot go to ChatGPT or any platform, tell to him, write for me full thesis. There is another specific tool, they will do it. I will share with you. But the problem you will face, three problems. First one, plagiarism problem. Second one, AI detection. Third one, you cannot defense for your argument. It means you cannot defense for your idea because this is AI create for you. You don't understand this is idea, what they make it. The best way or appropriate way to use or adapt AI for my research to mix between my brain and AI brain together. At the first, I must make it a plan or blueprint for anything. Example, literature review, I must make it blueprint for literature review, steps, what I must do first, then second, the third, then go for another one. AI transforming academia, really, before AI, not after AI. AI, it should change everything. If you look at the past about research, at the past, before 5 years, not from long time, before 5 years, if you see researcher, they will go to internet, search by Google Scholar, install, download the PDF, read PDF, then write down the notes. After that, make the process for his research. Before him, the researcher, before 10 years, maybe before some decade, researcher, usually they will go for library, physical library, before internet, and bring the visual or physical books, go to his home, read, and write down the notes by paper, then take it all idea, then start process for the research. The process, it will be similar, not a change. It means before I go to library, I bring book. Now I go to internet, Google Scholar, bring PDF. Read physically the book. Now I read digitally the PDF. Also, until now, there's some people like to print out the PDF and they don't like to read it from screen. It means the concept same, but technique is different. This is before AI. Now, in this time, AI game changer. Now, no need to go to Scholar to make it keywords to bring my reference. There's semantic research. I can ask any related questions from my mind to this is engine to bring me suitable reference. No need keywords, same Google Scholars. Then after that, by filtration, I narrow down until I get it my specific filter. No need to read physical the PDF. AI, he can read and understand all the concept and give me some specific conclusion what I'm looking for. It means now the concept is different. Before AI, not similar after AI. The reading before AI is different after reading or after AI. Writing before need typing, or some case need transcript the voice for typing, same what I did now. Now typing you can use AI. Just give him the idea, he'll write down for you all the appropriate paragraph. This is something a new concept, and a lot of people they're not accepted. If this is something from old school, they're not accepted AI. But believe me, AI it will be crucial and important for research. The future for AI research, not for traditional research. Traditional method, it will be from the past, believe me. And this is support my argument. A lot of journal now starting to write down with the condition to use AI before not allow, because some researcher they will have feel guilty when using AI. Don't feel guilty. Scopus and Nature and a lot of famous journal they will allow you to use AI, but by specific way. There is 5 conditions you must know before using AI for journal or for submission your research. First one, acknowledge AI use. You must clearly start when, where, and how AI was used. Example, I use AI in analysis, in drafting, in summarize. You must mention about this is in your research. I use AI by this. Mention an appropriate section like acknowledgement or mythology. Example, I mentioned I use AI for analysis. I use AI for drafting, for brainstorming, summarize, grammar checker. All this is. Number 2 condition. Don't list AI as the author. Cannot be credited as the author or co-author. It means don't use AI as the author or co-author. Don't give AI to write for you full text. You must modify this text by you, because AI cannot be responsibility for content. Ensure a human responsibility. Review and edit everything before you take it from AI platform. Same customs in airport. Any stuff coming in front of me, if I am customs in the airport, I must check. If this is legal, I let them pass. If this is not legal, I stop them or ban them. Same situation, if you get it any information from AI, your responsibility to check if this is accurate or not accurate. Example before, my previous example, AI give me connection between frog and AI and education. This is something not logic. Imagine I copy paste in my research. This is your responsibility as a researcher. Avoid dependency on AI. It means don't make AI make it everything for you. You must work by your brain together. Collaboration. Maintenance originality and ethical. You should avoid submitted and unedited AI generated content. Ensure compliance with the ethical and legal research standard. Okay, you must ensure about compliance for ethical issue also. This is your responsibility. Authorize it using for journal. This is something legal, 100%. Text analysis. Analyze or summarize data using AI. This is allowed. that you should mention. It means you can analyzing or summarizing data using AI by allowing review result. Idea generation. Use AI to brainstorming or drafting idea, then refine them. It means you can make brainstorming by AI. This is allowed for you from journal standards. Language enhancement, improve grammar and style for your own content. Example, I have my content. I need to improve grammar. This is allowed for you. This is legal. Don't feel guilty when using AI tools because this is legal. I tell to you, large language model like ChatGPT or Perplexity or Claude, all this is large language model, not specialized for academic, not specialized for academia, because this is for creating or creative content. That's why don't trust this kind of platform like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, not always perfect for academic task. I must check about this. General tool cannot be precise enough for academic or not scientific work. Sometimes this is not enough. I must need specialized platform for my academic purpose. Now I will share with you all the tools you should use it and how you can use it, ChatGPT, in specific case. First, AI search engine. Okay, we speak about the difference between AI tools and Google Scholar as a search engine. Okay, there is some specific comparison between AI tools and Google Scholars. Purpose for AI tools or semantic research, what I mentioned before, provide insights and summarize and assist in analysis. But keywords, Google Scholar, it's focused about finding academic article and source by keywords. I must put it keywords in Google Scholar. Capabilities, semantic research can answer questions. It means I can ask him any question, can summarize paper for me, analyzing data for me without reading the paper. Something amazing. Provide here in keywords or Google Scholar provide search result for academic content. He gave me only the result for academic content. Okay. You can use any general questions related to your topic in semantic research, but in keywords, you must provide specific keywords for your research. It means I must find out which appropriate keywords for my research in Google Scholar. Something difficult sometimes to find specific keywords for your research. Okay, that's why AI semantic research, he provide me text explanation or summary, but keywords, Google Scholar, he provide me only link for this paper. Semantic research, it can learn from my mistake. It means it can enhance after process time or after some time, but Google Scholar, it will be fixed and give me fixed result at the all. AI tool for research. See, now what the most important tools for semantic research in academia. First one, Elicit name, elicit.com. This is, now let's start about elicit.com. This is very famous and the strongest platform to find your reference. Okay, this is the address elicit.com. How can I use elicit.com? This is very friendly interface. Now, if I go, there is something named get research report, start semantic review, find paper. I will press on find paper. I will go here, ask example, any questions on my mind, AI for education, for example, I tell to him, go. Now he start search for me in a huge database, like 125 million paper, for something related to my proudly topic. It means I can choose for your topic. Usually the best process, I will teach you how you can choose appropriate topic for your research now. But the best way, choose for one proudly topic. Any topic in your mind you like it. Put it in this research, Elicit. After that, they will give you summarize for top 8 paper, or if you have a free account, they will give you 4 paper. This is same. Okay, this is summarize for my questions. Artificial is revolution for education, blah blah, with the reference, all this is. This is something review summary for my query here. But that down, he gave me, provide me a lot of reference related to my research. He gave me all this paper, and I can see column, abstract, summary for each paper. He gave me all this paper. See how much paper he gave me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. In this case, if I needed more, I can go down. I tell to him, load more. He will load more for me. Now he will load more until you see this is enough for you. Now, in this case, by Elicit, he collects for me relevant paper. I can sort it most recent from newest up to the oldest, but I can sort it by most citation. See, 967 citation. Okay, this is all my reference here in this case. If I like any reference from this, is I can copy DOI. I go for my reference manager. Zotero I use usually. I don't like Mendeley. I use Zotero. Zotero is very easy and free and compatible with all platform which I teach you. It means you have a free plugin to connect between Zotero and platform. If I go to Zotero, it's easy and free. Go for this magic tool and paste DOI and then enter. Voila, it's coming for my research. See, here this is revolutionize education. See, all this is here. It's coming for my Zotero. This is first one. If I like another, copy, okay, this is another one. But there's another way to export for Zotero. It's more easy. Now, in this case, example, I like this reference. How can I like this reference? I see the content, the summary. This is AI education, enable personalized learning from, this is, I like this is reference, for example, rule of AI education. I like this is rule of AI education. I like this reference. What I can do in this case, I can select all paper. See here, I can select all paper. It's selected all paper from this icon. Okay. Then which one I like it, I deselect. I like this one because it's relevant to my research. I like it. This is I'm looking for because the abstracts is related to my topic. Okay. Another one, I don't like it. That's why delete. Now I keep it only. This is role of AI in education. In this case, what you will do, select this reference, go for this is search citation trail. When you press this is, there will appear for you all reference related for this one, which citation with reference from this is cited or references from this specific reference. It means all this reference related to my selection. This is very useful. If you like, it means the big benefit of the first benefit of my research or semantic research, I can choose any reference I like it, then search citation trail. He will find for me all reference related to this reference which I selected. Something amazing. Sometimes, because I struggle with my research, I find sometimes one reference is for me very useful, another one not useful. I don't see it's connect with my topic, but I needed another reference connecting with my preferred one. That's why I select this as I choose search citation trail. After that, you'll find me similar reference for this one. Okay. Now, if I toggle slider here, I can see manage column. Before, let me see the filtration. Filtration here, or filter, I can make filter for has PDF. It means he will mention only for reference include PDF. Also, you can change the publication year, which publication you're looking for between 2008 and 2020. You can choose the journal quality, Q1, Q2, Q3, or all. Study type, there is a study type. As you know, in research, there is two kinds of research. One original, it means you invent something new. Another one review. Review, there's a lot of category. This is a study review sometime. There's literature review or semantic review or meta-analysis review. All this is specific criteria for each one. This is kind of review or studies. Review, meta-analysis, semantic, RCT, longitudinal, all this is kind of studies. I can choose which specific study I'm looking for. I'm looking for meta-analysis, semantic research. Semantic research is very strong research. It can follow strict steps. Now we will see how you can do it, semantic research by AI. You can put it any specific keywords for your abstract. Example, give me here efficiency and productivity. Okay, he will make for you now all reference include this is words and abstract. How? Now all this is, see, include this is efficiency and productivity in my research. Okay, here if you read the paper, you can see it's mentioned for this is keywords. I can delete, then apply to give me the previous filter. It's very important in semantic research because semantic research will give you a lot of reference. You must narrow down until you get it your specific reference, what you're looking for. This is important sometimes. And see, there is a lot of options here. I can dive in about it. Okay, now let's go for magic columns. Manage column, sorry. Manage column, it means I can add some specific column for my research. Here the paper, here the abstract, I need to add some specific summary. Example, I can add summary. See, he will give me summary for each paper. No need to write summary. Example, you need methodology. You need, see more here, limitation, study design. See, he will give me a study design for each paper. Qualitative literature review. See, sometimes not mentioned. It's sometimes he cannot get it. It's normal. See, this is turn on high accuracy. It will make for you more accuracy. I don't know why they put it this one for what. Why they didn't make it default? But if you feel the result not accurate, sometime you can turn on. This is same here. It's turn on the accuracy. It will give me high accuracy. Okay. See, now he start to give me some specific information I'm looking for. Theoretical framework, research gap. He give me research gap for each, see, research. Sometime not mentioned, sometime mentioned. Okay. He can give me all this is what I'm looking for this specific feature I need to find out from my paper. See, a lot of here column you can add for each paper, what you needed exactly. Here, if I'm looking for something specific, not exist here, I need to add specific column for my research. I can go for this field, I write relation between, mention for me what the relation between variables in each study. See, now he will mention for me variable for each study. I can make it here, and this instruction, it means optional, but I prefer to put it usually. Save. Now I will have a new column name variable for in each study. Make it accuracy variable for each study. Sometimes they don't have this study variable, it's normal, but let's see, he's starting about variable for this is paper. See, independent variable. He read it for paper and he give me appropriate answer for me. If you needed example to tell him, explain and summary for paper by Chinese language, or by Malay, or by Arabic language. He explained for you by Chinese language each paper. Example, if I needed to make it summary here, make it accuracy, it's take time. See, let's make it summary by Chinese language, by Malay, by Arabic, no need, by your language, you can make it summary for each paper. Also, you can load more and you can do it what you looking for to understand from each paper. Okay, at this case, I figure out which paper I like it for me. Example, I like it, this all paper, I select it, I can export for Zotero, then export all the paper which I select for Zotero just by one click. Exporting 40 paper for Zotero. I can go for my research manager here. See, in this case, it will open and it will coming for my Elicit here. 8, I think, 8. 8 selected 8 reference in my here. See, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 reference now coming on my Zotero just by one click. It's easy, just export BIP to Zotero. Just by one click, you can export your reference for Zotero. It's easy. Any questions about Elicit? If you have any question, let me know, please. Okay, awesome. No questions. We'll continue. Now, filtration, search. See, filter, I'll provide you also, this is a slide. It will help for you, some explanation. Some filter has PDF. This is year, quality for journal, study type. Study type, I explain for you. This is review, meta-analysis, semantic research, RCT, randomized controlled trial, okay, longitudinal also. All this is kind of study. List of concept. Let's go for another feature for Elicit. I go for this one. Here you can see some specific feature here. List of concept. I press on this one. List of concept. Example. Let me explain for you in simple words what it means, list of concept, because this is repetition feature in a lot of platform. Example, I'm looking for some topic related AI and education, but there is variety of aspect connect for AI and education. Example, productivity for student. VR. Example, AR, augmented reality for student. Something efficiency. And also there is another concept for ChatGPT for enhancing the student performance. A lot of concept around this topic. Let me try AI for education. Now he will start to give me specific topic or concept related to AI for education. What the process? He searched for the paper. He find out the concept paper for each source. He removed duplicate concept because the concept is duplicated in a lot of reference. He will give me the final answer for the concept. It means, Elicit, what he will do now? He will search in a lot of paper, okay? And he will find 5 concepts related to AI of education, okay? He find now 25 concepts in 50 paper. Concept or something related to AI for education, maybe related from far away or close, no problem. But now I will tell to you how you can use this as feature for your research. Before I start my research, any topic, I'll put it here in list of concept to understand the situation for my initial topic, because sometimes there is another concept I don't know, it's related for AI and education, and maybe it will be so interesting and useful for me. Now, found 70 unique concepts. Imagine 70 unique concepts. Each concept he will mention here. See, immersive, virtual, and augmented reality learning environment. This is related for AI and education. Kahoot, this is specific platform related to AI and education. See, all this is, and he gave me the source, the paper. Now in this case, what I can do? Export. Now it's exporting by CSV file for Excel. How can I utilize this information? I go for my second print, ChatGPT, upload. See, this is the best way for using ChatGPT as second brain, okay, to analyzing the data which I provide him. Now I provide him specific and accurate data for concept. Okay, first one I tell to him, read this is file carefully and wait my order. See, he read this is concept. Name for concept, definition, source, paper, DOI, all this is here in paper. This is how many? See how many he found? 70. 70, exactly. 70 concept related to my paper. Now, let be careful or be attention what I will do with this is useful information. Okay? What I discover from this feature. Sort for me or no. Before I tell to him to play a role as academic researcher, don't make hallucination. Play a role as academic researcher with 25 years experience in academia. Find out for me the most 10 important concept from previous table which I provide you, and sort by table from high reference accounting for each concept. It means what I ask him, find for me the most 10 important concept, include high reference for each concept. I don't need to find or to catch topic include less reference. I need to catch topic include a lot of reference. This is make for me easy. Don't search about something complicated. I see many researchers, they'll try to innovate topic and make it, after that they'll struggle to find out the reference. No, in this case, AI helped me see what he did. He find for me number one, intelligent tutoring and adaptive learning system. Reference account 24. Another one, personalized learning system 12, 4, 4. This is already include high reference in this specific research on only my database, not in all. It means in all database, more than maybe 500 reference for this topic. But in this is test or pilot, I find 25 references. It means this is high potential concept to find a lot of reference. See, this is very nice. A catch, topic, or concept include high reference here. What I will do now, I ask ChatGPT. See, I select the first row only here, first row. I tell to ChatGPT, create for me 3 potential topic for my future research from this concept without any explanation. Okay, he will give me 3 topics from this specific. See, he gave me the first topic, enhancing study engagement through the intelligent tutoring and adaptive learning. This is amazing topic for my research. This is another option, the third option. I guarantee each topic include at least 24 reference in this pilot. It means this topic, I can guarantee it has a ton of reference in database. And my life, it will be easy if I choose this as specific topic. Before, I see some people on the internet that will provide you service to find for you suitable topic, include a lot of reference, they'll charge you $100. This is, you can make it for free. Just work by your brain. Okay, in this case, if I like it, another one example, personalized intelligent, I select this one, I will search which one I like it, which one it's more close for my research. I will tell to him, find for me another 3 potential topic. Okay, he find for me another. I can choose which I like. I have variety of option, 3, 9, 10. He will start to choose for you. Example, I select any example, Coursera. I like this is. I tell to him this just because he understand what I asked before. See, he understand about this is. He give me potential topic. I can use this topic for my future research. It's easy. What the process I did here. AI, he can understand everything. The process usually for research, choose broadly topic, then go for reference, read reference, identify the gap. After that, adjust the topic or refine the topic, then starting make scope. After that, start make literature review, collecting data, analysis data, output, until you finish your research. This is the process, the logic process for your research. The first step, choose broad topic. It means general topic. Then go to read a lot of literature. After that, you can identify the gap. After that, you can modify the topic. This is the normal or manual process for research. In this case, by AI, it will be game changer. I can tell to him, find for me the almost concept related to this topic, broad topic. After that, I will see how many reference each concept has. If they will have a lot of reference. I like it. I take this concept. I create from this concept my topic. If I like it, the first option, I will take it. Second, third, until you finish, because AI or generative AI, he can give you unlimited answer. But in this case, I guarantee I provide him accurate information. After that, he provide for me, this is appropriate concept, include a lot of reference count. After that, I can choose anyone I like it and choose to create for me suitable topic for my future research. I saw in my life many researchers struggle about topic. And because you cannot, they will go to ChatGPT, tell to them, create for me topic. This is the wrong way because no criteria to make topic in this case. But in my system, I give, that's why you must have a blueprint or system or plan. I give him from Elicit, this is concept, all the concept, I give him the result from Elicit. And after that, ChatGPT, he analyzed this is, and he give me what I'm looking for. This is very useful for find specific topic you're looking for. Anyone have question about this is important steps? Anyone?
Hi, hi,
Yeah,
Dr. Monat.
yeah.
Okay, can you please explain to us actually just now you were saying that illicit you can actually extract the research papers.
Mm.
But when I tried it, actually, as you are speaking, I'm also trying to do it. But it only has all those stars for the topics. So, how do I actually get? Do I can I get actually like for example PDF because it is asking to upload the PDF, but you can't find PDF articles.
It means you need to find PDF here,
Yeah.
or you need to upload PDF.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking if I can download PDF articles.
Yes, of course, you can download. Here, if I ask him about AI for education, and sometimes a free account is limitation, sometimes. Okay, AI, sorry, here. AI for education. He will give me the paper. If I press on this paper here, I can go direct for this paper. See, I can go direct for this paper. This is abstract. This is the source. You can go for the source also for this paper. But in this case, I come back. I can filter, include, has PDF, apply. He will filter only has PDF. He will find for me PDF. You must go for the source and download the PDF. Okay, in this case. See, this is PDF.
Okay,
Make sense?
okay, okay.
That's why filtration is very important in semantic research. Also, there's a lot of way. You can press this one, go to read about this one. Okay. Library, here in library, I can upload my own PDF here. Example, I have my PDF, for example, here. Here, I upload my own PDF, for example, to uh, extract information. Okay. Here, this is the PDF, what I upload already. See? I'll select this as Here, the paper I have in my library and can use it to add for my research also. Okay. I tell to you, and usually in the normal process, you choose a broad topic, you can go for literature review, then research about the gap, then identify the topic related to the gap. After that, research a question and the scope. In AI, I can jump between all together. It means it will help for me to jump between each all together. Here, the Elicit is very useful, and you can see any reference you're looking for from Elicit is very strong, and you can put the reference in the library also. It will help you, and you can upload from Zotero also. You can upload from Zotero what you're looking for. It will help you a lot to make connection with between this one and Zotero. Okay, in this case. See, I can understand. I can go for this is source. If you needed to make download or understand more about this topic, it will be easy for you. Now let's go for another platform. Let's make it consensus.app. Consensus.app. This is also another useful for research. If I go for this is consensus.app, I will see this is another platform. This is another for semantic research. I can use it for my research. Same process. Now it's become more easy because I understand already the concept for semantic research. AI for education. Maybe sometime the first database not include my specific reference. Believe me, the most important part in your research is reference, because this is the backbone for your research. If you can find specific reference or correct reference for you, you will be get it easier steps on the future, because you have the correct information in your reference manager. After that, you need just to collect this information. Okay, that's why here, if I write down the AI for education, I can see the reference all here, but this is something little bit different. I can see also summarize for this topic. If I press Pro, this is for paid version, it will make for me more professional summary, same review or literature review, but small. Same pre-review or pre-literature review. See, he will make for me, this is review. I can use it for my literature review. This is, I can take it as a headline. I use this is for my literature review. But see, with the reference, all this is mentioned here. If I press Pro, if this is switch off the Pro, I can get it summary of this is my topic. The result down, I can see reference 1, reference 2, 3, 4, until I need more result, you can load. Okay, they will give you related questions. Example, if your questions, it's what are the benefit of AI in personalized learning? I need this. I like it. This is more related to my research. He give me suggestion for my questions. Now another summary, another pro summary. I can get it another pro summary. I will use it. This is in my literature review. For example, it will be for me start point for my literature review. In this case, I can see it's high cited. This reference high cited. Okay, this is systematic review. It means this study is systematic review. This is literature review. This is some kind high cited. Okay, if this is not available, you can ask this paper from the author. Okay, and you can, if I press this is, I can see the method, result, some information or screenshot about my paper. Here, share paper. I can copy the page link or share the paper. Okay. Here, you can export the result for Zotero. Also, I export, I press here, it will be importing for Zotero. Okay, importing for Zotero here. Item important, then item import. See, import complete. Okay, now if I read summary for this paper, I like it. See, this is different, not same column, not same Elicit. Example, I like this paper. I can press on this paper to understand more. This is a Q1, this is abstract, for this is methods, result for this paper. I can read more about this paper. Okay, this case. Come back for my research. I can see all this is reference I'm looking for. If I like it, I will export for Zotero. But don't export. I tell to you before you make sure this is suitable or acceptable reference for your information. Don't overload reference for your reference manager. Okay, this is very important. Sometimes I see some researcher, they will have maybe more than 1,000 reference in your research manager. This is something unuseful and make for you confused. You cannot search something specific information for each paper. That's why. In Elicit, let me come back for Elicit a little bit. I will mention about this is before our first break, because this is take time sometimes. Starting semantic research. Semantic research, if you give Elicit any topic you're looking for, AI for education example here, he will start provide this topic for me, okay, to give me more precise questions, work better. See, specifically here, he will give me another option for the questions here. Who does artificial intelligence improve personalized learning outcome for secondary school student? This is another question. What the efficiency of AI adaptive learning platform on the mathematics? See, this is the third one. I like the fourth one. It's a great question. He gave me this is. It means this is the last. This is semantic research. Semantic research it will get at my initial topic, and he improved by AI until I accept. This is I like it. This is my semantic research. If I tell to Elicit to make it semantic research, see, now he's starting collecting the data from variety of sources. If I can upload my PDF, if I can select from my library, I tell to this is Elicit to suggest for me all 500 paper. He will select 500 paper, add 500 paper. Now, what I do, define screen, see. Now, I give him the topic. He choose 500 paper for semantic research, and he's starting to study 500 paper and make it summary and conclusion for each paper to give me final semantic research. It means this is something scary. He can do for me semantic research just by click. It was time consuming for researcher to make semantic research. You must collect all reference and study and write down the all notes. After that, make comparison and your study and methodology for this is, and you should follow strict steps for your semantic research. After that, you will get the finding. This is something very difficult, but Elicit he can do for you automatically. See 90%, 20%. Let him continue. We'll jump for, because this is sometimes it will take like 10 minutes to finish the report. But you will be shocked when you see the final result just by click. Okay, I'll come back for Elicit, consensus. Let me come back for consensus. I can see here the consensus result in my research. Pro, it will enhance the deep research. I see he can give me uh, identify the gap sometime, the pro. He can identify the gap. I can take it, this is a pro, and see this case, for example, make it a pro. Okay. Copy, text. I take this as a pro analysis, pro result, sorry. I will go for ChatGPT, play role as academic researcher with 25 years experience, and read this is summary and try to identify potential gap for this specific research. Role as a 25 years, and I'll give you, try to give me potential gaps, okay, for this specific research. Paste. Now he will read the summary, what I provide him, and he'll give me, there are potential gap you provide. Lack of empirical evidence. See, amazing, amazing. Really, this is something magic. What a wonderful technology. See, 9, 10, 10 potential gap. Give me the more strong potential gap for my future research and more interesting for academia. And it has more conflicts. This is more interesting. See, he gave me phosphorus gap. I suggest for you to focus personal. See, this is more interesting gap. And why? He gave me this is why. The reason why this is. Okay. Give me only the gap without any explanation. The problem ChatGPT explained. See, this is the gap. Algorithm bias and risk of the education quality and in AI personalized learning. It's amazing, nice, interesting. See, he give me, he find which one is more interesting gap for me. Okay, interesting for AI. Let's see here, 80. Now he working. You can go drink your coffee until you finish your semantic research. Before it was time consuming and spend a lot of time. Okay, a lot of people ask, this is not ethical, this is not fair because AI can do it for me, semantic research just by one click. Semantic research, maybe this is, you can make it as a paper for journal. If you modify a little bit and submit for the journal, it will accept this is for you as a semantic research paper. Okay, that's why 99 define. He start to make it another. See, this is the process here. Start, run. This is process. He make for me extracting result, and after that he will generate report. I tell to him generate the report. Hi, extracting example. If I needed the data for my research, here you can download as CSV file. If I needed the paper which I use it for my research, this 500 paper list on this file. Screening the paper, testing the paper here. Extract data you can download from here. All this step you can download individual, and now generating the final report. It will take little bit time, like 10 minutes, no problem. Let him take it. We'll come back for consensus. Consensus, I see pro, it will help me to identify the gap because this is related to a lot of reference, see? That's why in this appropriate way, you can use ChatGPT. Give him correct information from this as a professional platform. After that, tell him analyzing, show me the gap, tell me which gap is better, and make this is interesting gap for me, I will take it. Okay, That's why it's important for me. Okay, now filtration and consensus is very huge and very important. Filtration. Always filtration in any semantic research is important because they will give you widely a range of reference. You need to narrow down until you figure out which reference you're looking for. See, this is the publication time here. Here, you can include only peer-reviewed paper. Peer-reviewed paper, it's more high-quality paper, not same, because this is reviewed by expert. That's why. Example, if I needed a reference, expert reference, I can toggle on, this is switch on for this one. Open access, now she asked me about download the paper. You can make it open reference you're looking for. Okay. Number of citation ask paper available. It means this is if ask paper available or not. Number of citation, I can put it. I needed only 10 paper with 10 citation for each paper, minimum 10 citation. Now he will find for me, see, citation, more citation. It's very nice and useful. Okay, citation. Method. See, here the category for method, study type, there is 3 in green, 3 in orange, 3 in the red. What it mean each color? It means this is the most efficient paper for me. Meta-analysis. It's very good or very effective for me. Okay, strong reference, meta-analysis, meta-analysis. Okay, this semantic review paper. Imagine this is number 2. It means the second paper I'm looking for. I can make it from Elicit semantic review, upload to this database, and it will be more citation paper for my future academic career. See here what happened. Generate this reporting. I can submit for any journal and it will appear under semantic research or semantic review. Okay, RCT, after that, this is non-RCT, observational study, literature review. This is also something related to medical and animal study. Okay, you can choose which one you're looking for. Semantic review, apply. You will find only semantic review paper from this research. See here, control study, human study, sample size. If they will, how many sample size, they will make it 300, 500. The sample size for each study you can define here. Okay, duration, date, journal, Q1, Q2, domain, which domain you're looking for, business, social science, education. It will help you a lot. Country, see, it's country. Dolani, it will help for you. This is, you can choose Sri Lanka for your future research. That's why it's very useful, filtration and consensus, and very effective. Okay, generating finding. It's nice filtration features for my choose specific reference. See, in the slides, I mentioned for you what it means, meta-analysis, semantic research. These are the most stronger meta-analysis, semantic research, RCT. All this is study type. And I describe each one what it means. You can read when I provide you the slides, what it means specifically, each kind of a study. But meta-analysis and semantic research is number 1 for the paper. And semantic research, now it's creating by our lovely platform Elicit. Interesting. Okay. Now let's go for break 10 minutes because we did a lot of information. Relax 10 minutes. Then we will come back to see our final report also. We will continue about This is, anyone have a question before break?
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Where is Miss? I must leave or keep it? Keep it. No need to leave. Just keep it. I switch off camera and mic. After 10 minutes, I will come back. Now 30 after 10 minutes exactly. See you.
Okay, doctor.